Hi, I'm Jana Strickland, and this is going to be my fourth year teaching at Harvest. I am super excited to be teaching your sixth graders math this year. We're going to be using the Saxson 8-7 homeschool curriculum. You need to purchase the textbook, the test and worksheet workbook, and then you'll also need to purchase the solutions manual. The solutions manual will stay at home with you and will be viewed only by you. The test and worksheets book and the textbook will be coming to school with your student. Each day when your student comes to class, I need them to be prepared with loose leaf paper, a calculator, 2 sharpened pencils, and an eraser. I'd also like them to purchase 4 dry erase markers. They can be any color, but we're going to be doing some work on dry erase boards. I have some small dry erase boards that the students can work with in class, just to make it a little bit more hands-on, a little more interesting. If you have an old sock or just a small piece of cloth, if you'll send that in as well, that way they can erase their work as we go through different problem sets in class. Whenever they do their work, it's going to be a little bit different this year. Students are going to be folding their paper in half. They'll do their work on the left side of the paper, and then you're going to look through, grade, and review what they've done. If the problem's correct, great. If the problem's incorrect, please do not let them erase any part of the problem. Have them do the problem over on the right side, just next to the part where they missed it. Okay, so redo the complete problem so that they'll be able to visually see how they worked through it incorrectly, and then hopefully how they worked through it correctly. Once they've corrected all of their problems, you'll again grade and assess what they've done on the right side of the paper and mark any answers incorrectly if they still remain incorrect. You can use the back side of the paper or additional paper when you're working through problems. I'm hoping, and the math team is hoping, that this will help students visually work through these problems and understand how to get to a solution more efficiently. We will be teaching, or you will be teaching, a lesson on Thursday with your student. This is a homeschool curriculum, as I said, so the lessons are really easy to work through. In fact, most of the students can probably work through them on their own. Saxson does a wonderful job of breaking down information into really small nuggets so that it's easy to understand, and then it compounds and builds on those ideas throughout the year. Saxson also does a really great job reviewing concepts, so we'll be working through most problems each day. Students will go through the different new concepts with me in class, and then we'll work through the lesson practice together, and then they'll have an opportunity to get started on mixed practice. There will be homework on Mondays and Tuesdays, so they'll essentially be finishing that mixed practice work at home with you guys. This year, parents will be responsible for grading all of the students' homeschool work. So each lesson will be up to you to grade and send back in to me. What I'd like for you to do is, in this top space on the first page of their work, I would like for you to either sign your name or sign your initials, and then write the percentage correct. That would be the number correct divided by the total number of problems that were given for the day. And then I'll record those for you guys. On Fridays, we're going to be doing quizzes at home. So for the most part, those quizzes will be online. I will post them on Sycamore, and your student will just go into Sycamore and work through those problems. They will come from the practice that we've done through the week, so it'll almost be a review type quiz. And then occasionally, the quiz will be one of the investigations. You guys are pretty, you guys should be pretty aware of the investigations because we've done them for the last 2 years. And then all of the tests will be given in class. So I am really looking forward to seeing your students on the first day of school. Please let me know if you have any questions at all, and looking forward to a great year. Have a good rest of your summer.